welcome back. Tipsy gang, hello babes, welcome back Tipsy gang. If you are new, hi, my name is Tequila, aka Wavy Tipsy. Hi, welcome. If you're returning, welcome Tipsy gang, welcome back. Tipsy game is all about the foolishness but fun, down to earth but chill. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my foolishness, like I previously said. Let's get into it, guys. This hair right here. Okay, let's start about my hair type. My hair type is 4C, 4B, but the color of my hair is 1B, and this is exactly what it is. So you can see, like, I had this in for today, about a few days now, and she's gorgeous, y'all. She's very much gorgeous. Amazon is outdoing itself when it comes to hair. These are passion twists, by the way. So this is the passion twist 24-inch 7-pack border wave crochet hair. So yes, if you're wondering, yes, this is crocheted. It is in 1B. This hair is on Prime and it's only $29.99 for a pack of 7 that comes with a crochet tool. I have never used Amazon hair to do any type of like crochet, like type of style like that, because it makes me think I've bought so many other beauty supplies, hair beauty supplies from Amazon, but hair, no, I would never thought to use Amazon to buy me some hair. This makes me not even want to go to a beauty supply store.
No, I'm gonna pass on that one.
If we're being honest. Yeah, okay. It's soft, it came with no scents, nothing like that. It came with the clips. One of mine broke. I don't know what happened to my other silver one that was in my hair. Like, I can do a lot with this hair. Like, if I wanted to bring it to the front, that's a style. Okay, style number 1, boom. Style number 2, I could take these and I have my scrunchie. I could take it to the side, boom, boom. Honestly, stops like right here. So this is how she looks on the bottom of the hair. Now, I'm not really much of a person who do braids, but this makes me want to do braids. Like, I absolutely love passion twists. I actually did passion twists like 2 years ago. I'm telling you to go buy. I'm truly happy with this purchase. It's giving everything what she's supposed to give. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Comment your thoughts below about this hair, and also be sure to go buy it. Like I said, it's on Prime, $29.99, $30. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I see you guys